Friends, this is me, your teacher Neha Kheradia, and our today's topic is interrogative pronouns. Fine? Okay, fine. Pronouns, everyone clear? What do you mean by pronouns? A word which is used in place of noun, that is called pronoun. Fine? Okay, so an interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Fine? Or you can say words which substitute for nouns and ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. Fine? Okay? Okay. Let me give you some examples. First one, it's written, what are you doing? Here, I'm asking you. Fine? What are you doing? Okay? So, what shows interrogative pronouns? Fine? Second one, who spoiled my book? Who spoiled my book? So here, second one, who? Okay? Third one, which is your house? Third one is, which is your house? Fine? So which is interrogative pronoun. Fourth one, whose is this pan? Whose is this pan? Okay? And fifth one, whom were you talking to in the afternoon? Whom were you talking to in the afternoon? Fine? So, in this sentences, the words who, which, what, whom and whose are interrogative pronouns. Right? As they are used to ask questions. Fine? Here, who, whom and whose are used for asking questions about persons. Clear? What is used for? Things. Like, what do you want? So, sometimes, what can also be used for persons? Okay? What is your father? Means, what is his profession? Clear? Okay? Next important thing, which. Which is used for asking questions about a particular person or thing out of a definite group. Fine? Like, let me give you one example. Which of you wish to go with me? Which of you wish to go with me? Here, I use for a person. Fine? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Here I have used which for a thing. Clear? Next important thing is the same form is used for singular and plural. Okay? The interrogative pronouns can be used as the subject or object of a verb or as the object of a preposition. Fine? For example, who broke the window? Who broke the window? Fine? Okay? Next one, who do you want to see? And last, who did you go with? Fine? So, object of a preposition with, because the normal order of a statement or sentence will be, you went with who? Okay? Fine. Chalo. Let's move ahead. Let's see the difference interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Fine? Words like what and which can be used as interrogative pronoun and as interrogative adjectives. Fine? Let me read some examples for you. First one, it's written, what is your plan? What is your plan? Here I have used as an interrogative pronoun. But in the second sentence, what plan did you follow? What plan did you follow? Here it is used as an interrogative adjective. Fine? Okay. Next one is, which is the mail train? Which is the mail train? Here in this sentence you can see interrogative pronoun which we have used as an interrogative pronoun. But in the last sentence, which train is late? I am talking about that particular train. Na? Which train? Train, that is noun. Fine. Here it's describing noun. Okay. So which train is late? Here which is used as an interrogative adjective. Fine. Okay. So we see that many of the words which work as pronouns can also be used as adjectives when they are placed before nouns. That everyone knows. Okay. Okay. Let's see some more examples of interrogative pronouns. First one I have you written. Who are you? Fine. So who is used as an interrogative pronoun. Second, what did you see? Here, what? Third one, which is the most interesting book in your library? So which is an interrogative pronoun. Fourth one, whom do you call your friends? Whom do you call your friends? So whom is an interrogative pronoun. And last one, whose shoes are this? Whose shoes are this? Fine. So whose, here it is used as an interrogative pronouns. So let me summarize quickly. Pronouns means the word, pronoun means the word which is used in place of noun. Interrogative pronoun means interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Fine. Clear? What, who, which, whose, whom. Okay? Fine? Who, whom and whose are used for asking questions about persons. What, for things. Which is used for asking questions about particular person or thing out of a definite group. Fine? Clear? And now let's see the difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Interrogative pronoun can stand alone, whereas interrogative adjective cannot stand alone. Fine? Next difference is interrogative pronoun, it replaces a noun, whereas interrogative adjective, it modifies a noun. Fine? I hope you understood this lecture properly. Fine? Bye. Have a nice day, bacha. Don't miss to do this exercise. Okay?